let's be real for those of you that are still thinking that AI will destroy our world. AI is not coming. It is already here, and it's not here to destroy us. I promise. Let me walk you through. Well, for starters, it's in your inbox, it's in your feed, your search results, your camera roll. Heck, it might have even written the last email that you read. But here's the thing. Just using AI tools doesn't mean you're ready for the AI era. The people who will thrive aren't just tech savvy. What they are is AI native. They think, create, and work with AI like it's a second brain. So today, I'm going to break down 4 essential skills you need to develop right now to stay ahead. Not gimmicks, not trends. Real future-proof skills that will actually make you more creative, more efficient, and of course, more valuable. Let's get to it. The first skill I'm going to talk about today is prompt thinking. Yes, you heard that correctly. This is the keyboard to brain connection in the AI age. Prompt thinking is actually knowing what to ask and how to ask it to get the best possible results. So like I previously said in my videos as well, it's not just about
write me a blog post, write me this, write me that.
It's not that easy, it's not that simple. It's actually breaking down a problem, setting context, giving tone, and even asking for multiple outputs. So here's an example. Instead of saying, write me a marketing strategy, try this. Create a 3-month marketing plan for a sustainable skincare brand targeting Gen Z. Include content pillars, sample email subject lines, and a TikTok strategy. I'm telling you, that kind of detail makes AI your creative partner and not just a random output machine. The second skill we're going to talk about today is the workflow automation. If you're still manually moving data between apps, scheduling things by hand, or checking 5 dashboards a day, you're lacking time. AI native pros build automated workflows that connect tools like Notion, Zapier, Airtable, and chatgpt all together. Okay, let's say you are running a newsletter. You could automate transcribing your podcast, summarizing it into 3 email-ready blurbs, plugging them into your email platform, and of course, scheduling tweets based on the same content. Once that's built, every new episode creates a week of content automatically. And you know what? That's not just efficiency, that's leverage. Our third skill we're going to talk about today is AI collaboration. This one's big. Just too many people are treating AI like it's a vending machine. Press button, get result. No, but the smartest creators just use it like a collaborator. They ask for drafts, then they tweak, question, reframe, and build with it. Like a creative duo, just like how it should be. Here's another example for you. You are writing a YouTube script. You don't just ask AI to write it for you. No. Instead, what you want to do is you ask for ideas, you ask for structure, you ask for a skeleton. Then you test 5 hooks. Then you rewrite the ending together. That's a creative feedback loop and not a one-way transaction. AI can brainstorm, refine, rephrase, and test with you if you let it. And last but not least, here's our skill number 4. Critical evaluation. I think there's no denying that AI is pretty fast, like lightning fast. But guess what? It doesn't mean that it's always right. Shocker, right? The new power skill is discernment. Knowing when the AI output is solid and when it needs a hard edit. So you've got to develop a sharp eye here. Is this factual? Is this ethical? Is this in my tone? Does this actually serve the goal? Here's another example. Say AI gives you a cold email draft. It sounds really robotic, it has outdated stats, and opens with "Dear Sir" or "Madam." And that's a red flag moment there. Your job is know how to fix it, not just send it. The AI era rewards people who can move fast and think critically. Being AI native doesn't mean becoming a coder or a futurist. It means building a mindset where AI isn't something you use once in a while. It's how you think, how you solve, and how you create. The future belongs to those who learn how to co-create with machines. So if this video helped you shift your mindset just a little bit, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and for being here all along. That's a wrap now. Take care.